Navigating the crowded market of ear care devices can feel overwhelming. Well, Bebird has made a splash with their standout products that are certainly hard to ignore, and this new guy, well, it is no exception. This is the world's first flexible ear camera, the Bebird Home 30S. This innovative ear care solution combines ease of use with exceptional reliability, making it a top choice for anyone seeking comprehensive ear health. The Bebird Home 30S features a sleek design and innovative technology, including a flexible otoscope and augmented reality navigation, setting a new standard for in-ear healthcare. But its benefits certainly don't end there. And with that all said, let's first start by unboxing this product and see what we're in for. So unboxing the Bebird Home 30S, and you do indeed get everything you could possibly need in the box. Bebird has done an exceptional job at offering up a family amount of accessories. Each pod contains its own unique set of buds, ensuring that each family member has their own to use. This is a really nice touch, as not only does it promote cleanliness, but you can set your tips to work for each of your own unique needs. Now, the Bebird Home 30S is equipped with multiple scoop heads, providing individual cleaning options and storage for each family member. It also features child safety mechanisms and personalized alerts. Each medical grade silicone tip comes with its own storage, maintaining hygiene and preventing contamination with other members. With its waterproof design and child safe plugs, the Bebird Home 30S is a great addition to any household, providing both comfort and convenience. Not to mention, you just get your own to use, so you don't have to worry about whether it's yours or not. Now, this is not just an ear care device, it's a stylish addition to your home. Picture an aesthetic spaceship design that fits seamlessly into any household style. I have to admit, I really do like the build quality of this. Not only does it feel good, but it is actually very good looking. You get to say goodbye to cluttered drawers with detachable accessories for these kind of devices, as everything is right here near the hub. You can just keep things really organised. With just one press, the ear camera rod pops up, making it just effortless to use. You then choose your attachments and you're good to go. Now, this one is a shake-up in the ear care game, because while others are stuck with the generic designs, Bebird introduces the thinnest octoscope on the market, boasting a tiny 3.1mm camera. But that's just the beginning. With cutting-edge AR technology, navigating through your ear canal has never been easier or more precise. You can actually say goodbye to guesswork and hello to effortless, accurate ear cleaning. It is just so simple to use. And even for people with delicate ears, well, you don't really have anything to worry about. Setup is dead simple. We just use the Bebird app, and the whole process of pairing the device to the phone is dead simple. We just simply look for the Bebird device in wireless connections, and once connected, it will automatically bring you back to the app, with the main interface allowing you to select the model here. Once selected, you'll be presented with the main screen. The interface is extremely user-friendly and very easy to navigate, offering up advice when needed. Now, if you consider the frustration of using outdated tools like cotton swabs, which often just push dirt further into the ear, causing more problems, the Bebird ear cleaner with the camera offers a safe and effective solution for removing earwax without the risk of causing damage or discomfort. One thing I really appreciate about this is its adaptability. It is designed to precisely fit different ear canal depths, making it suitable for men, women, and kids. This means you can experience personalized care tailored to your unique anatomy and comfort choice. The flexible camera is specially designed to easily and comfortably fit the unique curves of children's ear canals, ensuring a safe and effective examination. By having this flexible design, it is much more comfortable than traditional ear care solutions that opt for a solid otoscope. The 30S is also equipped with precision tweezers, allowing you to safely remove foreign objects from your ears. This feature is particularly useful for families with children. No more panicking when your little one gets something stuck in their ear, because this actually makes it easy to handle these situations calmly and effectively. Just grab your device and within minutes, you'll have a clear view of what's happening inside your ears. Whether it's for routine maintenance or addressing a concern, the 30S offers a quick and effective solution solution for family ear health. But it is not just about earwax removal. This innovative design also comes with attachments for ear fluid application. So if you suffer from ear pain or issues and require frequent application of medical fluids, this has the capabilities to do that. Not only is this safer, but we can apply it more precisely with that live feed. I just really like this feature as it offers up increased versatility to this device. When using the Bebird app, you can easily record a video and connect with medical professionals in real time for consultations and advice. It's the only otoscope in the world equipped with this, offering seamless connectivity and peace of mind. Within the app, we can connect with other users and offer a real-time feed of what is happening within our ear. With that, they can then help with diagnosis or provide advice for treatment. I have to admit, the video quality is pretty good. It allows you to see everything in detail and you rarely miss a thing. The 30S also comes equipped with a UV sterilizer, and this ensures that each and every use is as hygienic as possible. Now, whether this truly offers up full sterilization or any at all, I couldn't possibly comment. However, it is safe to say that it is something that is extremely reassuring to have either way. Just another helpful add-on. Now, all in all, the Bebird Home 30S stands out as one of the most comprehensive ear care devices on the market currently. With its innovative features such as that flexible otoscope and augmented reality navigation, paired with safety features like medical grade silicone tips and that UV sterilization, it offers up a complete solution for ear health for the whole family. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.